Welcome to today's video. On this channel, I teach online creators methods to make money online and become financially free. Let me show how you can use Leonardo AI to generate monetizable images that you can sell on Etsy, print on demand, or Amazon merch. This AI platform evolves and improves at an astounding rate. The greatest part is that you receive 150 free tokens per day to generate your own images, and you own all rights to those images. Unlike Midjourney, where you must pay $10 per month to acquire the image's rights, this service does not charge a fee. Leonardo AI is an excellent option for you if you do not wish to spend money to start a new side hustle. In this video, I'll also show how to create images using Leonardo AI and its most recent features. So let's begin. Step 1 is to gain access to Leonard AI. For this, type Leonard AI in Google Chrome, and you will see it here. This is where this website will open. Either you go directly to app activation, or you confirm that you are on the whitelist. If not, please provide your name and email address and submit it. So once you receive the mail, you will be required to complete out and submit a priority access form from Leonardo AI. And after submitting it via the Launch app, you will have access to your account. This is the interface in which you will be required to operate and create your images. You must then sign in to Leonardo AI with your Google account in order to create your own image. Click on AI-generated images. In this section's left panel, there is a section where you can enter your prompt known as AI image generation. You can also visit the featured models section to select the model that you want. A model is a dataset that has been trained on a particular image type. For instance, if you want realistic images, you might choose photoreal. If you are searching for an artistic approach, you may want to consider Dreamshaper V7. If you are uncertain of a model's function, simply click on it. So that you have a general notion of the type of images you can expect, it will display a few samples of images that have been produced using the selected model. You can also click the Select Custom Model button to view community models that were created by other users. Next, you can add a negative prompt, indicating what your image should not contain. There are sections for image generation and prompt generation further down. This part enables you to generate complex prompt ideas from basic prompts. For instance, if you enter flower and click on Ideate, a number of more complex concepts will be generated, including red roses. Moving to the primary settings on the left, you can select the number of images you will receive from a single prompt. I believe that 4 is the optimal number, providing you with numerous options. Then there are Prompt Magic, which are currently undergoing beta testing. This feature ensures greater prompt compliance. You can also modify the high contrast and Prompt Magic potency if you enable this option. The same holds true for the new feature, HD Crisp Scaler, which when enabled, improves image quality, contrast, and detail. This is a free and great feature. Simply click on the image and you will get access to this feature. We can view the image resolution parameters further down. Here you can fine-tune your image's dimensions, but for the best results, Leonardo suggests selecting 1024 by 1024 pixels. Following that is the guidance scale. This menu allows you to adjust how closely the image matches the prompt. In other words, the lower the number we select, the less similar the final image will be to the prompt. I recommend selecting 7 or 8 as the optimal number for the greatest results. Below is the image-to-image generator, where you can upload an image to use as a reference for your generation. Leonardo has a more straightforward and visually simple interface than many other stable diffusion-based image generation applications. We will now navigate back using the arrow icon on this page. Going back to our user tools. We were engaged in AI image generation. We will now transition to AI Canvas. AI Canvas allows users to expand upon an image. We'll use the example we just generated and enlarge it to make it larger. The primary characteristic of this page is the presence of a box and a prompt below it. You should position half of the box outside the image while leaving the other half on the image, as Leonardo requires a reference point. Below, we'll provide a detailed description of what we'd like to see outside of this image. We are essentially enlarging the image to determine what it generates. I've set the number of images to 4 on the right, so whenever a new image is generated, you'll have 4 options to choose from. Select the ones that best suit your vision, then proceed to the remaining image corners. Let's now discuss how you can monetize the images you are creating. We will use Wirestock.io. It's an inventive utility that allows you to distribute AI-generated images across multiple stock photo platforms with a single click. Here's how it operates. Create your image and then enhance it. I'll use HD Smooth Scaler instead of any other free upscaling tool. I will provide links to all the tools mentioned in the description for you to test. After upscaling the images, navigate to Wirestock and you can choose the free version to get started. Select Get Started. Sign in using a Google account. It will inquire whether you wish to upload your first image immediately. Select the image you wish to upload, tick the box indicating that the content was generated by AI, and then post it. Wirestock handles all keywording, captioning, and labeling to optimize your image. For stock marketplaces, creators receive free individual portfolios where they can directly sell content, sell reproductions, and compile collections. Amazingly, you receive 85% of the image price when it is purchased. All of this is free to use. In addition, Wirestock offers a subscription service for a nominal fee. You receive 100 more marketplace and challenge submissions per month, 100 more quickly. Keywording and review for marketplaces, upscale images, 100% royalties and pricing control, and the ability to obtain files with up to 500 gigabytes of metadata, all for approximately $7 per month if you pay annually, and $13 per month if you pay monthly. Even though the price of this service is already low, I was able to negotiate a 20% discount for you. You only need to select the link in the description and enter the discount code. Explore is a feature of Wirestock that allows you to view the most popular stock images. This can be a wonderful source of inspiration when considering what images to generate, or you can use the images as a reference in the image-to-image feature of Leonardo. You can also select on challenges to submit your AI-generated images and earn money. There are always fresh submission-eligible challenges. For instance, there are currently 2 active users. You will discover that there are numerous opportunities within the creative AI domain. Before submitting your work, you must familiarize yourself with the rules and the challenge's specific theme. In addition, before uploading your images to Wirestock, be sure to increase their resolution to ensure they meet the platform's quality standards. I will submit approximately 100 of the best-selling stock images using the Explore feature on Wirestock to gain inspiration. And I will also upload a video update in a month to show the results and the amount of money I have made. I would like to thank Wirestock for their assistance in making this video possible and for introducing an incredibly simple and passive method of generating revenue from the images we are already producing with Leonardo AI. As always, if you found this video to be useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future.